Hi there guys, my name's Taylor, I'm from HelpMeCompile.com, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to create your own methods and apply them to your own parameters or existing objects. Now that can sound really confusing, but don't worry, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys that you've been doing this all along and how to take it to the next level. This is often in like the second course or second class meeting of any traditional Java course, so it's really not too complicated. If you don't already know it, hey man, learning is the fruit of life. So here's how it's done. First, let's go into the structure of a method. Let's type in an old favorite, system.out.println, and then we'll do hi world. Let's do leet speak. Yeah, man. Fantastic. Now, in case you haven't seen this before, hi, welcome to Java. This prints hello world to the screen. Fantastic, right? So, how this actually works is system.out.println is the name of our method. And then inside the parentheses is our parameters. The acceptable parameters for system.out.println in particular is either text inside quotations, numbers, like that, or a variable name, like that. But in this instance, hello world serves our purpose just fine. But let's create something that does something different. Doesn't print to the screen. Let's make a method that multiplies two numbers together. Let's call it multiply, and then we'll give it some input, which is 5 and 4. We'll ask it to multiply 5 and 4 together. Well, NetBeans doesn't exactly like that. It says, "Hey man, multiply? What the heck is that?" So we actually have to go ahead and create multiply because it's not predefined like system.out.println. So we'll type public static void multiply, and then we'll type the initializations of the variables that multiply can expect. Int, and then a variable name, int, and then a variable name. Now the reason I did it like that is because when multiply the method is called, like right here, it's immediately presented with a question. It questions the computer, okay, my first input is a 5, what do I do with that? Oh, okay, I see that it's an int and I have to save it as n1. Now I've encountered a comma, and then a 4. What do I do with that? Oh, okay, comma, and then I'll save it as n2. Pretty simple. And now we'll go ahead and do some logic. Now that n1 is saved as 5 and n2 is saved as 4, we'll go ahead and create the answer variable and then print that to the screen and give it its values from n1 and n2. We'll type int answer and then give it its value n1 times n2, and then we'll print that to the screen using Old Faithful here. The answer is plus answer. Pretty simple stuff. Then we'll hit F6, see what happens. The answer is 20. Forgot to do a space. Bam. Corrected. So that's how you create your own method. It's pretty interesting, right? Well, I suppose if I reiterated on that, it would just serve to be redundant. So, I mean, I guess that concludes this lesson. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments.